Just put toothpaste in the toilet tank and you'll never have this problem again. That's right, folks. I'm sure you've never used a toothpaste like this before, but when you find out what it's for, I'm sure you want to try it at home. So this tip is actually pretty simple. First, you're going to need one tube of toothpaste. This one is halfway empty. If yours is almost finished or full, you can still make it and it's totally going to work. Alright, next we're going to need a needle like this one. It doesn't have to be too thin. This size is just fine. Alright, now go ahead and poke several small holes in the toothpaste tube, okay? Don't be afraid to make a lot of them in the tube. So go ahead and make a lot of little holes. And see, this is how it's going to look like. And now with the help of scissors, we're going to make 2 cuts in this part. Don't need to cut much here. Alright, that'll do. And now, let's do the same thing on the other side as well. Once that's done, get to your toilet tank and remove the lid. And now just take the toothpaste tube and place it inside the toilet tank. After that, we're gonna wait for 10 to 15 minutes. This way, the toothpaste will mix with the water. Then I'll show you what happens. Alright folks, after 15 minutes or so, we can now cover the toilet tank again. And now here's the thing. Because the toothpaste is mixed in the water, every time you flush it, a little bit of the toothpaste essence will come out. And as you probably know, toothpaste is an excellent whitening product. So this will keep your toilet bowl free from stains, especially those bad yellowish ones. And that's not all. If your toilet already has those stains, it's gonna also start helping to remove them over time. Because every time you flush it, it's gonna clean the toilet bowl. And of course, it will also leave a pleasant minty aroma, keeping your toilet always fresh. Also avoiding unpleasant odors that usually happens. So folks, this is a pretty easy, money-saving tip. Try this at home. I'm sure you're gonna love the result.